Hi guys! Welcome to Cattaleya English channel. We're improving our English grammar and vocabulary here. Today I will be dwelling on prepositions at, on, in and their usage with time. But before we start, I would like to challenge you with a short quiz. Have a look at these 5 sentences and decide on the correct answers. At the end of the video, you will have a chance to check yourself. We begin with preposition at. We use at for time once we talk about the exact time we see either at the clock or at the watch. At 5 p.m., at 6:30, at 20 to 12. For instance, my working day finishes at 5 p.m. On top of that, we use at with a certain period of time during the day, which lasts 1-3 hours. At lunch, at noon, at dawn. For example, our garbage truck arrives at dawn. We are proceeding with preposition on. We use on once we have the word day. On Monday, on a sunny day, on Christmas Day. For instance, our local shops are overcrowded on Christmas Day. Moreover, we use on once we talk about certain dates. On the 2nd of September, on the 5th of June. And here goes our example. We are heading to Mexico on the 5th of June. And we have come to preposition in. We use in with months, in October, in August, with seasons, in winter, in spring, with years, in 2020, in 1995, with decades, in the 1950s, with centuries, in the 21st century, with historical periods, in the Middle Ages, and with longer periods of time, in the future, in the past. To demonstrate, let's have a look at the examples. The Adams always go skiing in winter. There are no classes in August. We are proceeding further with particular cases. The first preposition will be at. We use at in certain expressions. At the moment, at present, at the minute, at this time, meaning now. I'm living in London at the moment. Here we have one more set expression, which is at the same time, when two things happen together. We came at the same time. Point 3 for at is the word weekend. In American English we use on the weekend, on weekends. In British English, we use at the weekend, at weekends. At is used for multi-day holidays. Take that case for instance. Jim unwraps his presents at Christmas. One more point to indicate is the word night. We can use at once we talk about nights in general. For example, owls usually hunt at night. It's a common known fact, for this reason we choose at. However, if we would like to be more specific, then we can use in. Some weird noise frightened me in the night. It means that it was some kind of a specific night when I was frightened by the noise. We are heading to particular cases with preposition in. There are 3 set expressions we should remember. In the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening. Our meeting finishes in the afternoon. However, if we would like to add the day of the week in the middle, then we need to choose preposition on, because we have the word day in the phrase. On Sunday morning, on Friday afternoon, on Saturday evening. And here we go with the example. I am free on Saturday evening. We do not use any prepositions before the following words: last, next, yesterday, tomorrow, the day before yesterday, the day after tomorrow, this, that, each, every, today, tonight, all, some, any, one. To illustrate, let's consider the following examples. One Sunday we could go camping. We do not use any prepositions before one. Hannah is leaving for Paris next week. There is no preposition before next. Yesterday evening Ben was so exhausted. We do not use any preposition before yesterday. We have almost finished with the theory. However, I would like to specify 2 more points for preposition in, as it has some specific meanings. We choose in for time that will pass before something happens in the future. Let's consider the example. My sister will show up in 20 minutes. It means 20 minutes should pass before she arrives. One more point to highlight is that we use in to indicate how much time it takes to do something. For example, my classmate reads a 500-page book in 2 days. It means that it takes him 2 days to finish a book. And now let's go back to the quiz from the beginning of the video. I will meet you at 3 p.m. tomorrow. We choose at because here we have some certain time from the clock or the watch. The concert starts on Saturday evening. We use on because here we have the word day. My birthday is in August. We use in for months. The party is on the 15th of July. Here we choose on because there is a certain date. I'm going to visit my parents in a few weeks. Here we have in because few weeks should pass before I visit my parents. Let me know in the comments how many correct answers you have got. I hope the information is useful for you, and from now on you will have no troubles with the prepositions of time. Enjoy your day!